In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage user access in HubSpot. This video will guide you through the process of setting up and managing user permissions, an essential skill for maintaining control and security over your HubSpot account. Let's begin by heading over to the HubSpot website. Once you arrive at the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Login button. Give it a click. This is your gateway to accessing all of HubSpot's valuable tools and resources. If you often use Google services, you're in luck. Simply click on the Sign in with Google option and select your Google account. This method is not only seamless, but also helps keep your login credentials secure and organized, as you won't need to remember additional passwords. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to delve into the settings. Navigate to the settings page by either clicking directly or following a convenient link if you have it handy. This setting area is where you'll get under the hood of HubSpot to customize your user access and manage permissions. Now direct your attention to the Users and Teams tab. Clicking here will open up options that allow you to manage who has access to your company's HubSpot account and what they're able to do. This is instrumental in making sure you maintain control over who can view or edit your company's data. Next, find the Permission Sets tab, usually located towards the top. Permission sets are predefined groups of roles that define what a user is allowed to view and modify within the account. Clicking here will bring up options to adjust these settings and tailor them to fit your organization's needs. Once you're viewing the permission sets, you'll see the option to Create Permission Set. Clicking this will allow you to define and customize a set, specifically laying out what features and data users can interact with. This is particularly useful if you need to tailor permissions for specific departments or roles within your organization. In the creation stage, you'll be presented with an option to choose between a role-based template or a user-based template as the base for your permission set. Both options provide an excellent starting point. Role-based is ideal if you have several users performing similar functions, while user-based is beneficial for individual customization. Take a moment to consider which option best suits your needs. Once selected, use the intuitive interface to fine-tune the specific permissions. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively manage user access in HubSpot, ensuring your team members have precisely the access they need to perform their roles efficiently. Remember, regular updates and monitoring of permissions are great practices to ensure your organization's data remains secure and efficiently managed. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more HubSpot tips and tricks.